What's up guys, Bodhi here from bodhidavison.com. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make stickers on Canva to sell in 2023. Very simple and easy tutorial to follow along. If you enjoy this content, please give the video a like for me. Please comment down below any questions or comments you have. Make sure you check out the print on demand playlist that I have on this channel. It'll give you heaps of tips and tricks. And make sure you hit subscribe. Let's get into today's video. Alright, so here we are on Canva and we're just going to go create design in a custom size up here. You could just do this on an A4 or whatever, but yeah, depends on what size you want to use, doesn't really matter. Change this to inches, maybe we'll go by 15 by 15 and create a design. It'll just be a square, which is going to be good to work with. And we have Mother's Day coming up, so this is probably a perfect time for making Mother's Day stickers. So we'll stick with that theme for today. You can even see it coming up here. So we'll just come down to elements here, and then we're going to search Mother's Day. See what that gives us in the graphics here. Got quite a few that are under the Canva Pro license. We're just using the free version, so we'll see what we can find. We'll stick this one on here. Then all we're going to do is reduce them in size and have them all across the sheet. And maybe this one here. So something to keep in mind with this is on Canva you can use things like this, but they have to be edited to be your own for you to be able to resell them. Unless you want to take that risk, but yeah, I wouldn't be taking the risk. This is really handy here, so magic recommendations, if you go see all, it's going to give you a lot of similar things that you can use. Another way to check this out is if you click on the three dots because you like the design here, or maybe this one, we'll see what other ones are done. Oh, maybe this one. So click on the three dots, it will bring up view more by that person, and then you'll see what other designs they've done. So this one here, for example, looks pretty cool. Probably not much else here that's in that sort of Mother's Day niche, so we'll just go back. We might use this one as well, maybe that one. So what we're doing is just getting a heap of different stickers here, so we'll just get them down to size. And you want to have them separated so that they're not going to print onto each other. Something like that. And then we might do just a couple more down the bottom there. So maybe that one. And what else have we got here? Super Mummy. Maybe a bit smaller. This one will need to be smaller. And maybe this one as well. Alright, so this would be our little sticker pack here that's going to go onto a sheet, and nice gaps in between so they can actually be cut out. As I did say, this is just for a demonstration. You shouldn't actually just resell this stuff because you can get in trouble for that. If you wanted your own designs, there's plenty of websites where you can get your own designs that you can just use straight away, but we are just doing a Canva tutorial today. One of the websites that I do use and that I could get some designs from is either you've got something like Vexels, and I pay a subscription on there so I can use all of these, or I also use Placeit as well. And if we just went designs, t-shirt designs, and then there's probably something about Mother's Day down to the left here, but it's the same thing. You could just look up, so there is a Mother's Day one there, but you could look up hearts, things like love, different things to do with mums. But you can see a heap of designs here as well, and then you can just do a transparent background. So let's click on this one. There it is loaded up. We just change that to transparent background, so now you can see that's ready to be used as a sticker. Then you just download it, and you could make up a sticker sheet just like we have over here with ones that you can actually sell. Once you're happy with your design, then we just come up here and go download. Download right here. And download. Alright, so once you have them downloaded here, how do you actually get them printed out? You can use any sort of third-party thing. We're going to use Printful today, but you can also use Redbubble, etc. Just use Printful for this tutorial. So we're just going to come on Printful and look up stickers. You can see they've got KissCut stickers and KissCut sticker sheets. So obviously we're going to be making a sticker sheet. We'll click on that one. Alright, so then we're just going to click on start new order, basic order, create your order. And we're just going to choose a file, upload new file, and it's just uploading now. It's usually very fast. Alright, so we can see that there is some wasted space, so we could have actually made an even bigger one, but just for this demonstration, just show you what it looks like. You can transform this and play around with how it's sitting on there, etc. But again, everything looks pretty good to me. Just click that back to 0. But you can flip it horizontally and vertically and play around with different things like that. You can obviously crop it. There's a background remover. And once you're done with that, you'll just go continue. And that's basically it. Now it's going to give you your print file and obviously your mock-up here. And yeah, if they were too close, you just go back into Canva and then move these across so they're not actually going to be on top of each other. But that is how easy it is to create your own stickers on Canva, how to make stickers on Canva to sell. For this example, we are using Printful, but you can use Redbubble, etc. And then basically you would just use this for fulfillment, or if you wanted to sell them in person, you could get them printed and shipped to you, just like it says here. Continue to shipping to see the pricing, and then you could cut them out and sell them just like that. Like I was saying at the start, this is a very small one, but you could just go back onto Canva and search like A4. You could even use one with a border if you wanted to. So let's just use this one for the example. We'll just customize it by clicking on it. Alright, so you can see this one's got a border. Now, like I said, we were using Canva graphics on this, but if we wanted to be doing it the proper way, I can upload some here that I've done off of Placeit before. And as I said, once you have a Placeit subscription, which I have, I pay for it yearly, you can get access to all this sorts of stuff and completely customize them as well. You don't have to use this one, but you've got access to everything for print on demand. The other ones I use are Kittl and Vexels, which was this one back here as well. Very good websites for print on demand. And there we are. So these are ones that I have actually got off of Placeit and ones that I could legally resell, no worries at all. So simple as that, how to make stickers on Canva to sell in 2023. Hope you guys enjoyed this Canva tutorial. If you did, please give the video a like for me. Please comment down below any questions or comments you have. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.